No one here, no one there. I see desolation everywhere. Just run out of tears to cry. It's getting colder every day. In this God-forgotten world I pray, as I look up to the sky. Is there something I can do to get back hope to today's horizon? I close my eyes, I'm able to stop the rain on me. I can get my fears away with those words I hear you say. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Wish you all a great New Year. Hope you save a thought for something that is true. I wish a Merry Christmas to you. Greeting cards that you read, you got everything you really need in your world of red and white. Flying high right to the sun, but the sparkle in your eyes is gone. It's so easy to forget. Is there something I can do? I don't wanna weep besides. There's no such blind man when you just don't wanna see. I can ease my pain today with those words I hear you say. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Wish you all a great New Year. Hope you save a thought for something that is true. Wish a Merry Christmas.